Good morning, y'all. Today is my anniversary. I get up this morning, get me a shower. I smell breakfast cooking in the kitchen. Honey got me some breakfast in bed. Breakfast look good. Mm, he did his thing so far. So we're gonna see what today holds for us. Ouch. Happy 9 years to me and my husband. 9 years, y'all. 9 years. How you feel, honey?
Like I've been trapped in hell for 9 years.
Happy 9 years to us. Hey y'all, me and Bay, we decided to get flued out. You know, I'm lying, talking about flued out. Anyway, me and Bay, we decided to come out of town for us a little getaway or whatever. You know, y'all already know where we like to go. You know, when we take us some little trips, y'all. You know, I had to come and renew my citizenship. It's been a minute since y'all heard of me at, you know, renewing my citizenship. If you know, you know. But anyhow, so, yeah, let me show y'all what we got going on here, okay? All right, so we got us a little small little spot, nothing too big. It's more like a little studio, you know, type of a little vibe, whatever. You know, something small for me and Bae, just to enjoy one another. We don't need all these bedrooms, honey, all the bathrooms, all that good stuff. We don't need all that. Just me and him. We just need something to lay down at, watch a little TV, get outside, fix something to eat, and we good to go. All right, so when you first walk into the door, this is what you got right here. And they have the bathroom over here where I was just talking to y'all at. So they got a little bathroom, you know, little towels and stuff for you, you know, a little roll of tissue, you know, a little soap on the sink for you. You know, the sink is nice, you know. They got the light switch for you, you know. They got the mirror on the wall for you, you feel me? And then they got a little picture over here on the wall, child, to make you feel a little vacation vibey and stuff. You know, you got to go to the shitter. You know, they got a little toilet for you and stuff. You know, they got you a few extra rolls of tissue and towels and bath towels and beach and pool towels and stuff. And then they got you a shower over here. You feel me? Okay. Now, if it get a little atrocious up in here, they got a little fan for you up there to ventilate, you know, and all that good stuff. You know, you got to check yourself out. They got a little mirror right here on the door so you can see what you're working with and all that good stuff right there. You know, they got the door to close it, you know. Okay. Little towel rack up there, you know, to hang your towels and stuff and get out the shower. You know what the bathroom need. All right, then boom, you come out the bathroom. So now you got your little kitchen area, you know. Okay, it ain't much to work with, but it's you know. So you got your little refrigerator. Let me open up the refrigerator for you, show you what's up in here. Ice trays in the freezer, you know, with no water in them. You fill them up yourself. Okay, I don't mind that because I don't know what they putting up in there. I want to be able to wash them out and fill them myself anyway. We got the refrigerator. We ain't got nothing up in there but a little Red Bull, a little baking soda in the bed to keep the refrigerator fresh, you know. Little paper towels down in the bottom to keep from messing up their little refrigerator and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Then you come on over here a little bit. You got a little hot fries over here in the little kitchenette area, right? Ain't no stove, but we got a hot plate, okay? But let me show y'all. Okay, if you know, you know. When you see the blue pot, you already know what time of day it is. Leave a comment down below if you already know what time of day it is. I ain't bring my lid, and I should have. So, you know, I had to make it do what to do. So I just took me a pot, baby, and throwed it on the top. And we working that thing going out, okay? So then they got the little, you know, little utensils and stuff over here for you that you need. But, you know, I'm going to bring my own stuff for what you know, because you know I'm going to need it, right? Okay, so then they got a little cabinet up here. They don't have some leftover stuff up here, right? We don't want none of it, but they got some up there. They got some bread up there. If you're hungry, you ain't got nothing to eat. At least they left you a slice of bread, and they left you some biscuit and some syrup and some crackers to make you some pancakes. You're going to be eating you some bread, but no meat, but at least you're going to eat, okay? All right. Let's go on right. All right, so now on this side of the kitchen, Got our little cookies that I bought, you know, yesterday. Brought it on with us, and they got the little dish rack and the sink. You know, I had this right here on top of the pot at first to make my little pot lid, but then I got smart. I said, let me see if this pot fit, and we're gonna throw the pot up there. All right, so then they got a few little cups up here and a few little pots and stuff, you know, to cook with. Ain't nothing much, but it's a little something. At least they did think about us, you know. All right, so let's go on around. All right, y'all. So now we have the living room / bedroom area, you know, and all that good stuff. All right, so as we come on in, I'm gonna show y'all what we got. We got a dining room, living room / bedroom area. Okay, so you got the leather. The leather, you can't get no better than the white leather. We got the white leather furniture over here. The couch, just nice and right, long, roomy, spacious enough for the both of us with 2 end tables and stuff. You know, we got it going on. So, got Bay over here in the corner over here doing his little razzle dazzle and stuff, about to get, you know, swim ready. Then we got where it all happens at. You know where the magic happens right here. So this the area where the magic happens at. Over here in this here queen size bed with the picture that's cocked to the side over there. It ain't straight, but it looks straight if you ain't paying a hard attention. You know, if you really ain't paying attention, you ain't gonna notice that it ain't straight. But and the way my eyes set up, I saw just then that, you know, that picture ain't straight. But it's all good though. It's all good. We got a bed to lay in. Nice little sheets and bedding and all that good stuff. Hopefully it's comfortable. All right, so then they gave us, you know, 2 little luggage things to, you know, sit your stuff up on. We got our wagon and all that there, the cooler and all that there. I'm going to show y'all what's in the cooler in a minute. Okay, we got our suitcase with our clothes that we need and stuff, base shoes, and then, you know, they got what you call this rug here? Y'all know, I forgot what they, I can't think of the name of it right now, but you know the expensive rug down here on the floor and stuff, you know, we got that down there. Okay, so now we got the 2-person table over here on the side, you know, with the picture up there. Child got it going on, you know, nice little white little table, ain't nothing too much, but you know, a little something. Got the TV over here. You know, would have been nice if they would have put the TV over in the corner over there. That way you could have seen the TV from all angles, from the chair and from the bed. You know, that's a little suggestion if y'all ever run across my video. Put your TV over there in the corner on a swivel. That way you could move it. Or put it over here. Put it over here on this side. And then take your furniture and put it on this side. But baby ready to go hop it off up in there. But hold on, I'm going to show y'all the rest in a minute. Okay, so we got the 2 little nightstands on each side of the bed, and you know, that's it for this here little efficiency. You know, it's nice little getaway for us. Can't complain. I'm good with what we got. We good. We're gonna still enjoy ourselves regardless. All right, y'all, let's go outside. So as I open the shades. As I open the shades, here we have our outside patio area. So you got your glass door, then you got your little screen here, base standing out here looking sexy. Honey, looking sexy. We got our nice lawn out of here, you know, and across those we got, like, you know, we have the so we got the, you know, all the you know, where the boats and stuff at out there, you know, a little water right here out the back. I can go fishing if I wanted to. I think I still am gonna take me a little trip back to Walmart and go get me some fishing equipment so I can go fishing, throw my line out here in the water tonight, see what might get on the hook, you know. Alright, y'all, so this the patio areas, all nice and ducked off, you know. Just nice little cozy little getaway. I like it, you know. Ain't much to it, but it's something, you know. What you think, baby? It's nice?
It's something.
It's a little something, you know. Okay, so now we got the pool area over here. So we just gonna walk on down here and I'm gonna show y'all the pool area. We ain't gonna get too much into it right now because I gotta go get dressed for it, and then we're gonna come right on back. But I'm gonna just show y'all the pool area down here. Nice little spot. They say we ain't gotta go to the beach, we can get in the pool. I just wanna get into water. Well, say less then, say less. All right, so boom. So we got the little pool area out here. Nice little area. 3 feet all the way up to 6.5 feet. The marina on back there. That's what I was trying to say, the marina. Got the marina on back there. People out there on their boats and stuff, cruising. We're just here to enjoy our little anniversary. That's it. Ain't too much, just a little something, that's all. But yeah, so I'll check back in with y'all a little later on. And y'all know, if you know what's going on in that blue pot, leave it down in the comments and let me know what it is that's going on in that blue pot, y'all. Cause y'all know it's going down.
I'm a beer here.
Tell me, y'all want beer? Oh, the mama told me something. He can get them other ones. Tell me something. I don't know why I got that beer. That beer just don't do nothing for me. I said you should have just left it with Babe. Tell me something. Tell him he can get them. Y'all already know what's going down in the cooler. You already know. If you said it, ooh, look at the claws on that bad boy right there. I ain't come to play. I did not come to play, baby. We got the blue crabs on deck, and they is ready to get boiled up. Yes. Y'all know I ain't come to play, but look at the claws on him, though. Look at them claws, y'all. Y'all know these finna be so good. Yes, can't wait.